Hey makers! Follow along with our tutorial on how to make your own chakra necklace, earring and bracelet set using our festival inspired picks for this month's sub box. These subscription boxes are perfectly designed in order for you to complete the jewellery kits within at your own leisure. We'll start by making the bracelet knot necklace using silk-on thread. We've chosen to use the gold silk-on thread for visual purposes only, as hopefully this will make it easier for you to see and follow along with our tutorial. Lay your beads out in the order you wish to thread them onto your necklace. We've chosen our design to go in chakra colour order. Make sure you have an equal length of silk-on thread either side of your bracelet, as this will be the focal bead. Tie a knot roughly 1.5 cm away from your bracelet. Pull slowly to tighten your knot, ensuring that it stays in the place where you want it. You will need your knots to be big enough so that the beads won't pass over them. Repeat this step for the opposite side so that the knot is the same distance away from the bracelet as the first knot. Thread your first beads onto the necklace so that you have one on either side of the thread. Tie another knot at approximately 2 cm away from the bead. If you're struggling to keep the knot in the exact spot that you want it, you could always use a pin as guidance, or alternatively, you could always use a knotting tool to create neat uniform knots. Continue adding your beads and then knotting afterwards on both sides of the necklace. Slide a knot cover onto one side of the thread and check what you would like the length of your necklace to be. Tie your final knot on one end of your necklace. Make this a bit bigger than your previous one so that it fills the knot cover. Snip away any excess thread before sliding your knot cover to the end to cover your final knot. Squeeze closed with a pair of flat nose pliers and repeat these steps on the opposite side of the thread. Open a jump ring with your flat nose and snipe nose pliers and attach the loop of your knot cover. Twist the ring slightly past the closed position and then back again, allowing the natural spring of the metal to align the ends to a tight closed position for a secure fit. Using snipe nose pliers, gently twist open the loop of your bolt ring and attach the opposite end of the necklace by the knot cover. Carefully twist closed again. Fasten your necklace using the bolt ring and jump ring. Well done makers, you've finished your first piece for the chakra jewellery set. We're now going to talk you through how to create the chakra bracelet step by step. Start by laying your beads out in the order you wish before threading your crimp onto your wire. Take one part of your toggle clasp and thread it by the loop onto your wire before feeding the wire back through the crimp. Add pressure to flatten the crimp using your flat nose pliers. Thread your beads onto the wire in your chosen order. After you have thread your last bead onto the wire, thread your other crimp. Take the other end of your toggle clasp, thread it onto the wire by the loop and feed the wire back through the crimp before using your flat nose pliers to flatten it. Gently twist open the jump ring of your charm. We've chosen a heart or a leaf charm for our makers, so this part is dependent on which one you have received, and attach carefully to the toggle clasp of your bracelet. There is always the option to add your own charms, as you can never have too many. With your bracelet completed, the final step is to create the chakra earrings. Lay out your bead pattern before threading the crimp onto the wire. Thread the wire back through the crimp to create a loop. A top tip to make it a bit easier to see without getting your fingers in the way is to use a pair of snipe nose pliers. Apply gentle pressure with your pliers to flatten the crimp into place. Thread your beads onto the wire until you're happy with the design. This really is all about personal preference, so there's no need to use all of the beads provided. After you thread your last bead, repeat the crimping process for the other end of the wire. Snip away any excess with your side cutters. Twist open your ear wire in order to attach your earrings by the loops. Gently twist closed. Repeat the process to make the other earring, resulting in your completed chakra jewellery set. We've created 2 for size comparison. Well done makers, we hope you've enjoyed June's sub box and hopefully the creative process has you yearning for more. We hope you're as excited as we are, as we'll be sharing another fun-filled jewellery making kit in July's subscription box with you.